So I hope everyone knows this desktop. Windows 8. Windows 8 is an operating system that was produced by Microsoft as a part of Windows NT family. Windows 8 operating system was officially released on manufacturing on August 1st, 2012 and January to the retail on October 26, 2012. When Windows 8 arrived the first time, a bunch of people hated it. This is due to the following things: multiple interface, start menu, power buttons, desktop, and more. A lot of people say that Windows 8 was designed to run on tablets rather than on PCs. So on the every time, Microsoft announced that on today's 10th January 2023, Microsoft will officially stop supporting Windows 8 operating system. So for any Windows 8 user, I recommend you go and upgrade your PC to Windows 10 or Windows 11 for better experience. Bye bye Windows 8, rest in peace Windows 8.